Dear students, welcome to Geography class. Today I am going to give you question answers of lesson number 9, map scale. So let's get started. Question number 1. Mark in the box next to the right alternative. Which of the following factors map will be a large scale map? Answer is temple. Which of the following scale indicates small scale map? 1:1 crore, or you can read it as 1:10 million. Let's move on to the next question. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. What is verbal scale? A scale in which distances are expressed with the use of words indicating measurement is called verbal scale. Next question. What is numerical scale? A scale in which distances are expressed as ratio is called numerical scale. What is linear scale? A scale in which distances are expressed by drawing graphical scale is called linear scale. What is the large scale map? A map in which particular part of ground covers comparatively more area is called large scale map. What is small scale map? A map in which a particular part of ground covers comparatively less area is called small scale map. Let's move on to the next question. Answer the following questions in brief. Classify maps showing the following areas into small scale or large scale. Answer is, the classification of maps showing the given areas is as follows. Small scale map, country of India, world map, Maharashtra state, the north sky at night. Large scale map, building, school, church, mall, garden, dispensary. Let's move on to the next question. There are two maps with respective scales of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Give well-reasoned answer as to which of them would be a large scale map and which a small scale map. Recognize the types of maps. Out of the two maps with respective scales of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer, a map with respective scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter would be a large scale map. Reasons. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 100 meter is equal to 10,000 centimeters. Thus, the value of given verbal scale 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter is 1:10,000 in numerical terms or scale. A map having numerical scale of 1:10,000 or less than it is called large scale map. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter would be a large scale map. Types of maps. Maps of village, church, agricultural fields, etc. are the large scale map. Maps of state, country, continent, world, etc. are small scale maps. Next question. Convert verbal scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 53 kilometer to a numerical scale. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. Therefore, 53 kilometers is equal to 53 lakhs centimeter. Therefore, the verbal scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 53 kilometer can be converted into a numerical scale as 1:53 lakh. Convert numerical scale of 1:1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Thus, 1 crore centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. Therefore, numerical scale of 1:1 crore to a verbal scale in the metric system can be converted as 1 centimeter is 100 kilometer. Write short notes on verbal scale. A scale in which distances are expressed with the use of words indicating measurement is called verbal scale. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. In verbal scale, the word indicating measurement on the left hand side indicates the distance between any 2 points on a map. On the other hand, the word indicating measurement on the right hand side indicates the ground distance between those 2 points. When the map is reduced or enlarged by taking its photocopy, the verbal scale on the original map does not change. Numerical scale. Numerical scale, a scale in which distances are expressed as ratio, is called numerical scale. For example, 1 is to 10,000. It is known as representative fraction. In numerical scale, the same measuring unit is used for the figures on the left hand side and right hand side. However, no words are used to indicate this measuring unit. In numerical scale, number 1 on the left hand side indicates the distance between any 2 points on a map. On the other hand, the number 10,000 on the right side indicates the ground distance between those 2 points. When the map is reduced or enlarged by taking photocopy, the numerical scale on the original map does not change. Linear scale, a scale in which distances are expressed by drawing graphical scale, is called linear scale. For example, see the scale given on the screen. Compass or blade of grass is used if the ruler is not available for the measurement. A thread is used for measuring the curved distances between 2 points shown in the map. When the map is reduced or enlarged by taking the photocopy, the linear scale drawn on the original map changes as per changing size of the map. Let's move on to the next question. Highlight differences distinguished between the following: large scale map and small scale map. Meaning: when a particular part of ground covers comparatively more area on a map, it is called a large scale map. When a particular part of ground covers comparatively less area on a map, it is called small scale map. Examples. Maps of villages, church, agricultural fields, etc. are the large scale maps. Maps of state, country, continent, world, etc. are the small scale maps. Numerical scale and linear scale. Meaning: a scale in which distances are expressed as ratio is called numerical scale. A scale in which distances are expressed by drawing graphical scale is called linear scale. Examples: 1 is to 10 lakh. Number 1 and 10 are shown on the screen, which shows the distance in kilometers. The distance between 2 points A and B on the ground is 500 meter. Show this distance on paper by a line of 2 cm. Express the map scale by any one method and mention it. Dear students, you can see the picture on the screen and draw accordingly. Thought-provoking questions. Think about it. Textbook, page number 65. What is the need to use map scale? Think about it and write a paragraph. If the map scale is not mentioned in a map, it will become difficult to know ground actual distance between any 2 points shown in the map. Map scale is important element of a map. It facilitates map reading. If the map scale is mentioned in a map, it will become more easy to understand the ground actual distance between any 2 points shown on a map. Open-ended question. Which of the following scale will you prefer to use: verbal scale, numerical scale and linear scale? Different measuring units are used in different countries of the world. Due to linguistic differences, particular verbal scale or linear scale may not be used with ease in all the countries. Numerical scale is a global scale. It can be used universally. Therefore, we will prefer numerical scale. Dear students, in this way we have completed question answers of lesson number 9, that is map scale.